Okay, a train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. Okay, so if the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would take 1 hour less for the same journey. So here he gave two things. So if the train is traveling at a uniform speed, so the time, let us assume t1 as a time taken when it is going at a, so let the speed of the train be x kilometers per hour. Let the speed of train be x kilometers per hour. Okay, so let us take t1 as a time. So we know that speed is equal to distance by time, or time is equal to distance by speed. So let us assume t1 as a time which it is taking for traveling 360 kilometers at a uniform speed, which is x kilometers per hour. Now, in the second part, we are talking about another time. So when the speed is increased, what happens is the time will get reduced. Okay, so when the time is getting reduced, see what he's saying is it would take 1 hour less. Okay, so this is more time. So this is something like more time, and this is comparatively less time because the speed got increased. Okay, and what is the difference between them? So it is something like t1 minus t2 is equal to 1 hour, which is given in the statement there. So it will turn up to 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 equal to 1. Okay, so we can take 360 common in the two terms. So which will give us 360 bracket 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5, which will give us equal to 1. Now when you take the LCM, so which will give us x into x plus 5. Now coming to the numerator part, we do the cross multiplication. So here you'll be getting x plus 5 minus x is equal to 1. So this minus x and the plus x is getting cancelled. And when you take it to the other side, the denominator part, when you take it to the other side, it gives us x bracket x plus 5 equal to 360 into 5. Okay, so which will give us x square. When you do the distributive property, plus 5x minus, so how much is this? So 0 here, 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, 5 is a 15, so 1800 is what we are getting. Now we need to find the factors of 1800, which will give us 5. So 1800 we can split it as 100 into 18 and then 10 into 10. So this as 6 and 3, 2 and 3. So to take what we can do is take this as 5 into 2, and again 5 into 4. 5 is a 25, 2 is 50, and 2 is 50, and 2 is a 18, 4, is a 13. So this is 9, is a 5. Okay. So we are getting 45 into 40. So which will give us x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 equal to 0. Now group them, so which will give us x into x plus 45 minus 40. If you take common, again you're getting x plus 45 equal to 0. So it will give us x minus 40 into x plus 45 equal to 0. So it will give us x is equal to 40 or x is equal to minus 45. But we cannot take the negative thing as the speed cannot be negative. So therefore, the speed of train is 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, so this is what we need to